Hi guys, welcome to Learn at Home. I'm Siddharth and I am here with another video of counters. In our previous video we learned about up type counter. In this video we are going to learn about a down type counter. So just don't waste our time, jump to our Logix Pro simulator. So in our previous video we learned that we can use a timer or counter. Here counters are available, counter up, counter down. So we are going to use a counter down here. So insert a bit here, that is examine if close. Okay, so what is the basic difference? Here you can see everything looks similar, just the name is different, but there is many more differences between CTD and CTU we are going to discuss here. Just simply give the address to it. Okay, now here you can see I gave the preset value is minus 20 to it. But in CTU we gave the preset value in positive terms. Why we are doing this? You have to understand that, as you can understand by its name, it will count by 1 in downwards direction. So here you can see the accumulator is 0, accumulator bit is 0. So when we press the input, when the input is high of counter down, the accumulator bit will decrease by 1. So here you can see as it is 0, so it will decrease by 1. It means it will become minus 1, then it will become minus 2, then it will become minus 3. So it will decrease by 1. Okay, so just simply give an input to our examine if close and see what is happening inside the timer counter, sorry. So it is in downloaded. Now go to run mode. Here you can see the done bit is high, but in counter up the done bit will high when the accumulator value is equal to preset value. So how it works? Okay, when we press its input, you can see accumulator bit is decreased by 1. The rest functions are same. When we press the input, the accumulator bit will decrease. How much time we press the input, it doesn't affect the accumulator counting. Okay, so next step is when the dn bit will change. Okay, in counter up the accumulator value, when the accumulator value is equals to preset value, the dn bit will change. But in counter down, when the accumulator value is decreased by 1 from the preset value, the dn bit will change. Okay, so the accumulator value until unless the less than preset value, the dn bit will not change. Okay, so here you can see we are going to use another rung. We can insert a examine if close here, give the address of dn bit here, so we can see what is happening inside the counter down, and insert output and give an address to it. Okay, sorry, the output is not pressed. Now the output address is assigned. Once again go to download and run mode. Here you can see, as you can see, the accumulator bit is greater than preset value, so the dn bit is high. So by the dn bit the output is high. Here you can see also here. So now I am going to do what I am going to do, pressing the accumulator input and decreasing the accumulator value 1. Here you can see the accumulator value is equal to preset value, but the dn bit is not changed. Why? Because this is a down type counter. In up type counter, when the preset value is equal to accumulator value, the dn bit will change to high. But in down type counter, the accumulator value until unless is less than preset value, it will not change. Okay, so when I press once more, the accumulator value is minus 21, which is less than preset value, so the dn bit is changed to low, or now our output is low. So what we are going to do, how to reset the counter down, it is the same process as we repeated in counter up. We are going to give a reset to it. How we are going to do it? Simply give an examine if close and going to give an reset to it. Okay, so what address we are going to assign to reset? The address of counter. And input, we can assign any input to it by which we want to reset the counter. Once again download it and go to run mode. Now you can see the accumulator value is already less than preset value, so the down bit dn bit is low. Okay, now when I press this input which I assigned to the reset, sorry, the input address is wrong. Once again I have to go to back. back to programming mode. Now once again assign the input. Here you can see the /1 is missing, so once again go to download, run mod, and now press the input. Here you can see the accumulator bit is 0, which is greater than preset value, so the DN bit value is high. Okay, now we can again count the counter, and we can see when the accumulator value is less than preset value, the DN value will change. Okay, and we can reset it by any input. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like it, press the subscribe button, press the bell notification icon. Thank you so much for watching.